My target audience is the 18 to 35 market, the people who use social media, and camera sales are dropping massively in that area. There's not many cameras being sold there. People tend to use their smartphones. So it's sort of the smart camera for those sorts of people. After using a couple of different cameras, I found that a lot of them were quite confusing for new users, like the lens mounting systems and all the different battery charge and accessories, with like UIs that were very slow and buggy and hard to use. So my project sort of aimed to fix as many of those problems as I could. With the smart UI that's built into this, you can upload your photos directly to Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook or wherever you might want to share them. And you can edit them on the device with Photoshop or Lightroom on the camera. So it's all about kind of getting your photos out there instantly for social media. I think photography is certainly moving that way, with a lot of like interchangeable accessories and especially more connected UIs that will work with your smartphone and your laptop more coherently.